Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the scene. Put your device on silent, charge above 20%, and pick a quiet spot. Once done, check the person's time zone so you won't interrupt sleep. Make sure you have their preferred contact method and an agreed time. You open the app or dial their number and prepare one warm purpose for the call, wish, check-in, or short story, so the interaction stays calm and meaningful. This preparation keeps the moment intentional and respectful. You begin with a clear, friendly hello and state your purpose, a short good night or quick check-in. Explain why you're calling briefly, share one positive thing or a gentle question, then listen. Once you speak, slow your pace and lower your tone. That signals wind down and makes it easier for the other person to respond calmly. If they give short replies, accept it and don't push. Make sure to acknowledge feelings, offer reassurance, and close quickly if they seem. You wrap up by summarizing a warm good night, one sentence of care, and a quick plan for next contact. Once done, check they're comfortable and ready to sleep. If not, adjust tone or end sooner. If the call drops or they don't answer, retry one time, then send a short supportive message so they know you tried. Make sure to respect boundaries. If they ask no follow-up, honor it. This ensures closure and keeps trust intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.